What if you could normalize samples 5 times faster? Using the Synthace Digital Experiment platform, a scientist can rapidly improve the efficiency and speed of their lab work. This example shows how a scientist would ordinarily normalize 96 samples to the same concentration, and how a second scientist can use Synthace to significantly speed up this process. Our first scientist, Jacqueline, will normalize the samples manually. First, she uses a spreadsheet to calculate the volumes she'll have to pipette of each sample. She heads to the lab to start pipetting. Meanwhile, our second scientist, Fatima, will normalize the samples automatically. First, she uses the Synthace platform to generate a simple workflow, defining the samples that she wishes to normalize. This generates a simulation of the experiment, allowing her to visualize the entire process before it happens. She then sends the simulation to the lab, where she will execute it on a Hamilton star. In the lab, Jacqueline cracks down with the manual pipetting, normalizing her samples one by one. On the other hand, Fatima sets up the deck as it's shown in Synthace's deck visualization and starts the execution. After just 12 minutes, the robot completes the normalization and transports the plate to the plate reader to measure absorbance. The data from the plate reader